Welcome to day 1 of your 30-day English speaking course. I'm really excited to start this journey with you. Over the next 30 days, we'll build your confidence, vocabulary, and fluency step by step. And don't worry, we'll keep everything simple, friendly, and fun. Today's topic is greetings and basic introductions. Let's begin. Why greetings are important. First impressions matter. Whether you're talking to a stranger, a friend, a teacher, or a coworker, greetings are the first step to starting any conversation. So today we'll learn how to greet people in English, how to introduce yourself, how to respond to greetings, some polite phrases to use. Part 1, Basic Greetings. Let's begin with simple ways to say hello in English. Repeat after me. Hello. Hi. Hey. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Try it again. Let's say them together. Ready? Hello. Hi. Hey. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Use good morning before 12 p.m. Use good afternoon from 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. Use good evening after 5 p.m. Part 2, Asking how someone is. Now, let's learn how to ask someone how they're doing. Listen and repeat. How are you? How's it going? How have you been? These are polite and friendly ways to check on someone. Now, how do you respond? Try these. I'm fine, thank you. I'm good, how about you? Not bad. And you? Repeat with me. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. How's it going? I'm good. How about you? Great job. Part 3, Introducing yourself. Now, let's learn how to introduce yourself. This is very useful when you meet someone for the first time. Say, my name is Sarah. What's your name? I'm John. Nice to meet you. I'm from Bangladesh. Where are you from? Let's break it down and repeat. My name is, I'm from. Try this full example. Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm from the United States. Nice to meet you. Let's do it again. Hi, I'm Ahmed. I'm from Egypt. It's nice to meet you. Practice with your own name and country. Part 4, Polite expressions. In English, politeness is very important. These words show good manners. Please. Thank you. You're welcome. Excuse me. Sorry. Let's use them in sentences. Please help me. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Excuse me, where is the bathroom? I'm sorry, I don't understand. Repeat each one after me. Ready? Please. Thank you. You're welcome. Excuse me. Sorry. Perfect. Part 5, Practice dialogue. Now let's practice a short conversation. Listen. Hello. Hi. What's your name? My name is Anna. What's your name? I'm David. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Let's try it again, but slowly. Hello. Hi. What's your name? My name is Anna. What's your name? I'm David. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. You can practice this with a friend or just say both parts yourself. The more you practice, the better you'll speak. Part 6, Review time. Today we learned how to say hello, how to introduce yourself, how to ask and answer, how are you, how to use polite expressions. You did a great job today. Now it's time to check your understanding. Quiz time. Please answer these in the comment section below. The correct answers are available in the PDF file linked in the description box below. 1. How do you say hello in a formal way in the morning? 2. What do you say after someone says, "Thank you"? 3. Complete the sentence, "Hi, my name is blank. I'm from blank." That's all for day 1. I'm proud of you. Keep practicing, and I'll see you tomorrow in day 2, where we'll learn how to talk about yourself in more detail. Bye for now.